Now, I wanted to go to Deepak Joshi. Deepak is in Nepal. He's in Kathmandu. He was the former CEO of the Nepal Tourism Board, also on our board at WTN, has been here from the very beginning, got the Hero Award, and it's really an integrated part of World Tourism Network. And thank you for that, Deepak. The floor is yours.
Thank you, Yogan, and namaste to you all, my dear friends. First of all, I would like to extend a huge congratulations to personalities like Jorgen for your untiring effort and consistency, persons like Talib Rifai, Peter Tarlo, many friends like Ellen, Cuthbert, Dob, Vijay, Paul, so many, Rudolph, so many friends are there. So only because when we are together, we are creating impacts, yes. So 5th March, a very remarkable day in today's tourism world. Basically, I would like to say the timing is not so good in global tourism, but this day is really a very happy day for all of us. Uh, if we look at our tourism, this whole year in 2020, we closed our doors and we're observing the situation through our windows. Slowly, every countries they are opening up their doors and then relaxing their kind of situations and lockdowns. And I believe sometimes this COVID-19 is obviously a very, very big hit in our tourism. But before that also, if we look at the situation in past 5, 6, 7, 10 years, tourism was growing very differently, widening very differently. Disruption and innovation are also a new norm in today's socio-economic climate, and more so in the tourism ecosystem too. By harnessing the strength of this notion and having a very comprehensive understanding on an ongoing current context, we can achieve positive transformation and can tackle vulnerable, very uncertain, sometimes very complex, sometimes a kind of full of ambiguous situation in today's world. I'm very happy to note that in a short span of time, World Travel Network, passing through project.travel to rebuilding.travel, and finally becoming World Travel Network, has become a very credible and strong brand in tourism in this short span of time. Still, we have to play a more critical role in addressing the very pressing issues and agendas, and need to take some more actions to this end, especially in the post-COVID-19 pandemic context. Many destinations and the active players in the tourism industry are desperately looking for impactful insights and meaningful support to revive tourism. Organizations like WTN obviously has a very greater and smarter role to play in coming days. Uh, uh, this platform has become a platform for those who are seeking to leverage their knowledge, their skill, their experience, passion, and network for the larger benefit of tourism. I feel very happy when I see a very passionate persons in this group. The person who are with full of passion, and persons who are very, very passionate. They are never retired and they are never tired. That's why this group is certainly going to create more impact. Without much words, I would like to again extend very good wishes from our part of the world. We are together for tourism always. When we are together, we can create more impacts. So to every, I think there are many senior faces, many active faces. Let's be together for larger benefit of tourism. The only better tourism can create better world. So we are always together for tourism, Yogan. Let's continue our effort. We are together. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and namaste. And we talk to you again very soon.